Blogging mistake number 3. Not promoting your blog. Years ago, as long as you did some keyword research and wrote some keyword-rich content, you could pretty much count on sitting back and making some money with a blog. Unfortunately, changes in Google's algorithms meant to combat spammers who flooded the internet with low-quality content meant to get people to click. Google AdSense has made it a lot harder to gain traction. It takes a lot longer to start getting traffic, because the spammers ruined it for everyone. This is a major reason I don't advocate spammy money-making methods. They may work for a while, but they end up screwing over legitimate marketers and will eventually stop working for the spammers, too. These days, it's absolutely vital to get out there and start promoting your blog. You're not going to get traffic to a blog these days without some promotion, at least not for many long months. So stop waiting around for website traffic and start promoting your blog today. Don't spam, but get your blog out there in front of the people who will be interested in it. We hope you enjoyed this video. The next video we will talk about blogging mistake number 4. But, before you go and watch the next video, click the link below this video, so you can download your free guide and niche website now. Have yourself a great day.